Hi, it's Scott with OrganiLock again, and we're continuing with our sand to soil experiments. I've just opened up one of the squash plants to see where the roots were and how they interacted with the AgRehab and the other biomass in there. Now we're trying a different one where I had spread the AgRehab all the way through, because on the squash it tended to go where the AgRehab was, which was on top. Now I've spread it through. So I bought these strawberries at the same time. We're still in the peat-based version that I've trimmed up and actually making it look a lot nicer now, and we put a little bit of our AgRehab on top just to feed it. But look what it did just in the short 4 or 5 weeks it's been put in this pot. And this was pure sand with some AgRehab mixed in. That's it. So we're going to open this pot up as well. I'm going to just cut it all the way through. We're going to open it up and wash off the roots and see where they are. I can see them on the outside here. That's a good sign. There was some biomass in the bottom that we used to plug holes, so we might see a difference down there, but it's going to get a little noisy and we'll see what's in here. Alright, let's see what we have. I'm going to zoom in there. You can see the roots on the sides. See the biomass on the bottom. The roots in mycelium, they found their way down there. I'm tearing them out. That's why I want to wash it out, because they're very fragile. And this plant will survive. We'll move it into another pot, but we just wanted to see what was in here. Take it off a little bit at a time. You can see the roots throughout there. Now we're going to get into the original peat pot here, where you're going to see the artificial stuff. I'm going to go ahead and try lifting that out of there. So what do we have left? After just a few weeks, you can tell it had spread its wings and was working throughout the pot. Certainly a lot bigger plant, healthier plant. So the process of converting sand to soil is working. This is what it looks like just after a few weeks. Now we'll transplant this into another batch of something with our product in it and get ourselves some good strawberry plants. So there we go, just documentation of AgRehab and its results. Till next time.